This is a Plane Pal, the inflatable seat extender that fits between your seat and the seat in front on a plane, train, bus or even in a car to help your child sleep or play safely. Plane Pal is lightweight and really durable. It fits into this small bag, you inflate it on board. Once on board your flight, you simply wait for the seatbelt sign to be turned off and inflate your Plane Pal. Plane Pals should be used in a window seat or in the centre seat of the middle row. Once inflated, Plane Pal provides a safe space for your child to sit and play or to stretch out and hopefully fall asleep.